Greetings, fellow students of astrology. I am William Lilly, and today we're looking into whether a woman who is separated from her husband or lover will reconcile and be received into favor once again. This question can also apply to mistresses or sweethearts and husbands if he asks the question. So if you're curious about the cosmic guidance behind such matters, you're in the right place. First and foremost, if the woman herself is asking this question while she's apart from her significant other, we need to look at the Lord of the seventh house. In this case, the seventh house represents the expelled or banished party. Check if the Lord of the seventh house forms a positive aspect with the ascendant. If it does, partially or completely, it's a strong indication that she will undoubtedly return and be received favorably. Now, what if the Lord of the seventh house doesn't form an aspect with the ascendant, but another planet does, and that planet is unimpeded and beholds the ascendant? This suggests that the woman will be received again through the mediation of someone who will intervene and reconcile her with her husband or lover. If neither of these conditions applies, we turn our attention to the Sun and Venus. The Sun represents the man or husband, while Venus represents the woman. If the Sun is above the horizon and Venus forms a pleasant sextile or trine aspect with the ascendant, it indicates that the woman will return to her house or sweetheart with ease and without much commotion. But if the Sun is below the horizon and Venus is above, forming a sextile or trine aspect with the ascendant, it suggests that the woman or wife will be received, but with some difficulty and delays, requiring much effort and noticeable by the neighbors. Now, let's consider the moon's phase. If the moon is waxing and forms a favorable aspect with the ascendant, she will return, but it is going to take a lot of persuasion. On the other hand, if the moon is waning and in her second or last quarter and not close to the sun's beams, but still beholding the ascendant, she will return easily and quickly. Lastly, we need to examine Venus's condition. If Venus is occidental, retrograde, and approaching combustion, the woman will return to her husband voluntarily, fearing that her absence may offend him, and she regrets ever leaving him. However, if she recently separated from the sun's beams, then the man regrets giving her a reason to leave or that he mistreated her. The woman will be angry and insolent, seemingly regretting her impending return and showing little respect for her husband thereafter. So, there you have it, our astrological insights on whether a separated woman will reconcile and be received into favor. Remember, astrology offers guidance, but it's essential to consider the nuances of each situation. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more astrological wisdom. And as always, trust the stars, but also trust your heart. Until next time, I am William Lilly, and this is Christian Astrology.